Ond mae Stevens nôl fewn i'r gornel tuag at Gary Roberts. Gary Roberts yn curo Chubb, yn cael y croesiad i fewn, Correa. Oedd yna Black o'i flaen e. Will Evans yn curo Hulbert at y posib bella yn taro'r trawst. Henry Jones newydd gamu mlaen i'r ca. Hwn yw i gyffyrddio cyntaf fe. Alex Lang yn gorfod dyrnu mas. Alex Lang yn un dda. Will Evans a Bradley Woolridge yn brwydro fyna. Y bes mlaen at Price sy'n croesi. Venables yn penio. Peniad pwerus ond methu anelu at y gol. Oedd y bêl ddeallus gan Jones. At lwybr rediad Price. Croesiad yn un da. Dyna Venables yn un yn well. Cathy yn cael ei giro i'r bêl gan Shannon. Will Evans nawr. Gweld e'n gwneud lot yn erbyn i ginglwb. Y bêl yn amlan at Chris Venables yn y gornel. Croesiad yn dod at y posib pellach lle mae Gary Roberts. A Henry Jones yn cyfuno. Henry Jones yn diwedd dros y trawst. Will Evans yn troi. Yn cael y bas mlaen at Henry Jones. Henry Jones yn curo. Lang. Mae'n bounsio yn boenus heibio i'r postyn. Y bas gan Will Evans yn un wych. Ddiffyn met yn cysgu a Henry Jones yn gallu wneud yn well. Rhydja Morgan yn hir ac yn gyflym tro hyn. Elliot Evans yn penio i at Harry Warwick. O'r cyffyrddiad da gan Warwick a Oli Hulbert yn llithro mewn ac yn sgorio. Ym 5 munud ola'r gêm i roi'r myfyrwyr ar y blaen. Y ddau ar fenthyg o Bristol Rovers yn cyfuno. A Hulbert yn sgoroi 5 gol o'r tymor i Met Caerdydd. Will Evans yn troi. Mae'n cael y cymorth nawr o'i flaen e. Leslie, yr eilydd. Mas at Smith. Yr peniad ddim yn bell, mae Henry Jones yn penio. Heibio i Lang, ond maen nhw wedi lioni'r sgôr yn hwyr. Eiliadau yn unig sy'n weddill o'r 90. A Henry Jones yn torri calon i'r myfyrwyr yn meddwl bod nhw wedi cael y pwyntiau i gyd.
Yeah, it's difficult place to come, the wind and stuff, but I thought we played well, thought we were in control of the game, and then I don't know where their goals come from, and sloppy defending by the looks of it, and then we've shown great desire to come back in and get an equaliser, but it was a tough game. We've totally bossed the game, but they've scored on the, well, it's got to be a mistake, but we should be better defensively like that, and then if we shouldn't give them a lift, and then but lads have showed great resilience to come back and equalise.
Do you think it was a fair result then, based on how the game went?
Not on chance wise. We've had the better chances in the game. Ramsey hasn't had a save to make in the game, nor has their goalie, I don't think. But we've pressurised them, got in great positions, got round the back of them. I don't think they ever got round the back of us once or got in a good opportunity to score. But we were just wasteful in our attacking third, and we should have been better.
Happy with the performance, absolutely. Start of the game, if you'd asked me for a point, I would have said yes. But in the context of the game, particularly second half, we probably let 2 points slip there. I thought we were really good today. It was a real arm wrestle of a game. Both sides cancelling each other out. I think Bala had a chance first half with Venables nodding down, and with a bit more quality from us, we could set ourselves up better. But then, as the second half grew on, I thought we got into the game and we started to open up slightly, and we score. And we've done really, really well. And just to see the game out, and we didn't quite manage that.